Hi there, this is Joe of Joe's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial we are going to learn how to go in the third loop of the half double crochet. So I am gonna chain 2, 4, 6, 10 here, so we have a little bit more to work with and can show you. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And as you know, for half double, you skip the 2 chains that are closest to your hook, wrap your yarn around and go into that next chain. So wrap your yarn around and bring it through, wrap your yarn, bring it through all 3. Okay, so we are gonna just do that until we get a few more half doubles here. For those of you who don't know how, again, you chain, you skip the 2 that's closest to the hook. That will create its own half double, and then you half double in the next stitch, and then I'm going to half double in the next stitch. So I have 2 hook loops on my hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn around and bring it through, and then I'm going to wrap it around and bring through all 3. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook. That's very important. Go into that chain, wrap it around and bring it through, wrap your yarn around and bring through all 3. Okay, so go in that chain, wrap it around, bring it through, wrap it around, bring through all 3. Okay, wrap the yarn around the hook, going into the next chain, wrap your yarn around the hook and draw through all 3 loops. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go into the next chain, wrap your yarn around and draw through all 3. Okay, so there we have our last half double. Okay, so I'm gonna chain 1 and half double crochet in the first half double. Gives you a cleaner edge when you do that. And now you wrap your yarn around the hook, and we are going to look for the third loop. Okay, so when you look at it this way, you can see your stitches and they kind of look like single crochets. So what you're looking for is you're going to turn your work a little on its side, okay, and then you're going to look for the third loop, which is right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is wrap our yarn around the hook, turn it on its side,